God, what life have I gotten for myself? Is this marriage? Why is this woman I called my wife maltreating me? I'm fully a slave in her hand. I'm like a dummy, use and dump. She always have her way each time she wants me. She disrespects me on a higher level. Why? Uncle, why did you sold me out to such a wicked and demonic soul? Why? Why did I ever accept this Jezebel? Oh, Uju, my love. I will never forgive your father. I know very well that you don't love Kelvin. I know your heart beats for me always. I still love you unconditionally. I wish I can ever see you again, my love. This marriage is hell for me. My uncle sold me out. God, I'm trapped. I'm so trapped. I'm trapped.
He's not even picking up his cups.
Hello, my love.
Hello?
I'm very close.
You are very close. Do you know how long I've been waiting here?
Yes, I'm coming. I'm close.
Come now.
Yeah, I'm coming, yeah?
I've heard. Big head.
My love.
Eh? You here? Why? I've been calling you since now.
Hey, you know I was riding my bicycle.
So why were you not picking before? Come now, come.
My love, I need to go and sell my palm wine.
Sell which palm wine again? I thought you said we were going to be together today now.
Be together?
Oh, okay. No problem. If you want to go and sell the palm wine, promise me you'll come to the house later.
To the house? Your father. You've forgotten.
No, my father will not be around. He's going to the palace today. They have palace meeting today. Come now.
Going to your house?
Now which one? It's my house. The shrine.
Sure?
Yes. Yeah?
Okay, I'll come. My love, if I stay here one more time, something will spoil.
Ha!
Let me go and supply my palm wine.
What is spoiling? What is spoiling?
Uncle there.
Are you sure it's the uncle that is spoiling? Okay,
my love.
Let
me go.
Have a nice day. Have a good day. Sorry.
Yeah?
Wait now.
Are you a palm wine?
I am the girlfriend of palm wine.
Okay,
manage it.
You finished it.
Sorry. Oh, you are so well. Oh, you want to go like that? Take it easy now. Why are you opening your mouth like a kangaroo? Take it easy. Open.
Forgive me now.
Sweet, you sweet. Not you from Okui, right?
Yes, don't you trust me?
I'm sorry. Let me give you small.
Give me now.
Wait now.
Give me small.
You have long throat too.
You want to finish everything,
no? Open your mouth now. Open it.
Hey! Good afternoon, sir. Welcome, sir. Uju, I will see you later, yeah?
Okay, later.
Don't dare me! If you dare move, I kill you. Nonsense.
And for you, how many times have I warned you not to bring this loafer, palm wine tapper into my compound? You want me to kill you, isn't it?
No, Papa, he's just my friend.
Yes.
Just your friend.
Yes, Papa.
Good friend indeed.
Hi.
Your friend.
Is he angry?
No, he's not angry. He wants to go and bring Father Christmas for you.
Eh?
Go home, Joe. Go. He wants you to come back here and meet you.
Sorry, sir! Sorry, sir!
Papa, because he...
Don't worry, I will get you here.
He has gone. He has gone, Papa. It's okay.
And as for you, don't do what will make me kill you. You're daring me too much. Huh? Have I not warned you?
He won't come here again, Papa. I promise you, he will not come.
The next time I see him here, you will see what I'll do to you.
Obiora, I have been telling you, but you wouldn't listen. That man will kill you. Eh? I have told you to leave his daughter alone. Is it by force? Obiora, respect yourself. I am telling you, respect yourself.
Uncle, I love Ujunwa and you know it. I can't leave her alone.
But the father doesn't like you. The father doesn't like you.
That one is his business.
Twice he has rejected our proposal, saying that a young man from overseas is coming to marry his daughter. Eh? Is it by force? Look, don't dare me, oh. Don't dare me, Obiora. I'm begging you, don't dare me.
Everywhere I catch him, it's finished.
Uncle,
Look, you are coming to my house to make love with my daughter, isn't it?
Oji, what is the meaning of this?
Look, let me tell you.
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Why are you coming to my house with the gun?
That the next time I set my eyes on your late brother's son and my daughter, anywhere in the world, not just this village, I will kill him. I will kill him. Let me let you know.
You must be mad.
I am
You
prepared.
think you are the only one who owns a gun? Open your gun, get me my gun.
I am prepared.
it's okay.
I am prepared.
Get inside and get my
I've just
gun.
let you- Wait, I have just come to let you know that one bullet drops that your son down. And don't dare me again.
Obiora, go in and get me my gun.
Don't dare me.
Go get me my gun.
Dare me and you know who I am.
Obiora, you must be mad, Oji. Obiora, go and get me my gun. Nonsense. Let me see you in this compound again. Leave me alone. I have told you to leave his daughter alone, but you wouldn't listen. Eh? You wouldn't listen. Now you are telling me to calm down. Calm down for what?
What offense did I commit now? Is it a crime to fall in love with somebody? Ha!
It's a crime because the father doesn't like you.
That one is his business.
Nonsense.
He doesn't love me. Man, soldier, Baba say egbe. Just small love. Go carry gun.
Ekele, how are you? Introduce her to this. Yes. How is she? She's fine.
My love, it's been hell for me in my father's house. I've missed you for these past weeks. My father have refused me to go out. He confiscated my phone because of you. He's forcing Kelvin on me that I must get married to him. But from my heart, I don't love him. I don't want to be with him. I love you so much that I cannot think of any man. Please, let us meet at Iyi Road tonight. I'll pretend to be going to the stream. With love, your Ujunwa.
Ekele, hold on, I'm coming. I'll just wait for you. Okay, I'm coming. Help me give you $2. Okay. Don't let anybody see you. Do you hear? Okay. Come. Let me give you something. Buy something for yourself. Don't let anybody see it.
Yeah, sure.
Do you hear?
Nobody see it.
Greet her for me.
Alright.
I was wondering, we did not see Obiora today. I mean, he did not supply my father fresh palm wine. So I came to find out if everything is okay.
Oh, yes. Everything is all right. I'm sure he will bring the palm wine day.
Ah, okay. Uncle, it seems like you're going out.
Oh, yes, my daughter. I'm dressed to go for checkups at FMC.
Medical checkup? Are you sick?
Yes, I'm having this sickness, so I'm going there for medical checkup.
Ah. In that case, just enter the car. I will drop you while you tell me about it on our way.
Oh, will you drop me on the way?
Yes, sir. Just come in.
Thank you.
Yes.
Benita was here to see you. She drove me to FMC because I was already on my way out. In fact, I told her about my health condition.
You mean she took you to FMC?
Oh, yes.
Ah, wow.
That lady is a very nice woman.
Yes, she is.
In fact, she's told me to inform you to get her father some kegs of palm wine.
They want to buy palm wine?
Oh, yes.
Ah, no problem now. We'll take palm wine to them later in the evening.
Yes,
ah, hey. Yes, so, how many keg of palm wine am I taking to them?
Well, she didn't tell me. As much as you can lay your hands on.
Yeah. Maybe I will give them 2 gallons.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see you from your mouth.
Okay, no problem.
Don't forget, get there in time.
I will. Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So, what brings you here? You didn't go to school today?
No, we are midterm break, sir.
Oh, a midterm break. I see. So, what brings you to my house? Any message for me?
Yes, I'm looking for Auntie Uju.
Oh.
Yes.
Uju, she's in the bathroom. She's taking a bath. So, who sent you to her?
Uncle Obiora.
Oh, okay. Obiora.
Yes.
What did he say you should tell her?
He gave me a letter that I should give it to her.
A letter?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Let me have it.
He said I should give the letter directly to her.
No, don't bother yourself. Once she comes out of the bathroom, I will hand it over to her. Let me just hold it. Good boy, come on. Don't worry yourself. I will give it to her when she comes out from the bathroom. I'm not the father. Don't worry, I'll give it to her. Don't worry, just go. Don't worry. I will hand it over to her when she's out from the bathroom.
Okay.
Good boy. My love, I got your letter. I will be waiting for you at the road tonight. Please don't let your father see you leave. You know how troublesome he can be. Okay. We will meet.
Obiora, I want to pay you off. You've become a very big concern to me. I came back to Nigeria to marry Ujunwa. But she says she's not interested because of you.
Good. You see that word you just used? I like it. She's not interested. Man, what is actually your problem? You think it's my money? This girl is my future wife. I love her and she loves me too. We love each other right from our childhood. So this your intention will not work. You better return to your Canada and go and look for someone that is meant for you. This one is my own and there's nothing you can do about it.
You know, it baffles me so much how you talk with so much confidence about her. But I don't want to go there. I want you to name your price here and now, and I will double it.
I don't have any price. Ujunwa is priceless. You better go and look for something to do with your time. This one will not work. She will not marry you.
A pan white tapper. Local smelling dude. Come on. You should have a price. Okay, do you know what? I'll offer you 25 million naira. Just for you to leave that girl for me. I love her. I want her. I need her. And you can't do anything for that girl. Life doesn't revolve around your palm wine. Obiora Michael. Ibo tenku now. Nko kinete.
Abo tenku. Otenko kambu ne tenko. Kelvin, life revolves around your wealth. Obiora, the poor boy, the palm one tapper. But I will still tell you this. Ujunwa will not marry you. Save all this stress. She will not marry you. Excuse me.
Bro, you should think about what I told you. It's going to help you so much. It's going to change your life. Nkukinete, my brother. Nkukinete. Ijilego.
I'm your Romeo. Romeo. You're my Juliet. Baby, no. I'm your Romeo. Romeo.
Hey. Ukongo, my good friend. This is very sweet.
Oh yes, very sweet. One of the best.
Hey, this is
I'm telling you.
Wonderful tapper.
Oh yes.
Do you know that since my daughter set eye on him, she have not rested. She have fallen in love with him completely.
You don't mean it.
What she's demanding of me, I don't know how to do it. That is why I'm here. So that you will know how to bring two of them together.
I'm so grateful for what you have just told me. You see, Obiora is my nephew.
Yes.
It's like a son to me.
Exactly.
So whatever I tell him to do, surely he will do. So that will not be a problem.
Really? Hey, that is good. That means very soon we'll become in-laws.
Oh, yes.
Nine. Good evening, sir.
Obiora the great tapper. You're welcome.
Obiora.
So, like I said before he came, so that's good. I assure you, I will make sure I do everything within my power. When I say everything, I mean everything. I'm so happy. I will make sure he agrees.
Obiora, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Obi welcome. That is Senkao, eh?
Very strong.
Obiora the great tapper.
Oh, good.
How is the bush or the bushes?
Very fine.
Okay.
You know that I'm here for the latest, the freshest tap. That is what my daughter wants. That's why I'm here.
I've already given her palm wine. We met on the way.
Really? Yes. What am I doing? Come, my friend. I will be on my way. Let me go and keep her company.
Drink more now.
I don't the house.
Okay.
Uncle, I will make arrangements for you and Obiora to fly abroad. I want you to have a kidney transplant.
My daughter,
Yes. You see, now that I am aware of your illness, I am here to help you. I would even build you a new house because this house is so bad. I'll build you a new house and gift you a car. Yes, I will.
Wait, my daughter. Don't tell me you are joking with me.
No.
You will build me a new house?
Yes.
And gift me a new car?
I am not joking. I am a very serious woman. You see, it's just that there is a little price to pay for all of these things that I mentioned. Yes, just a little price. It's something that you can handle, trust me.
Price. I'm all ears. What is the price?
Like I said, it's something that you can handle. I have come to like Obiora a lot, but it seems like he's not interested in me. I have made effort for him to see me, but he doesn't see me. I know that you can make it happen. I would like for him to be my husband. So if you can make it happen, I will do everything I said and more.
Wait, if I get you clearly, you want Obiora to be your husband?
Yes. Yes.
In fact, my daughter, look, you don't have to bother yourself. Leave Obiora for me. I will personally handle this matter and make sure he becomes your husband. In fact, Obiora is already your husband.
Thank you, sir. You know, I knew it. I know you're a good man. I'll spoil you. Let me even give you something. I mean, it's small. It's just...
Oh, God will bless you so much.
Bless you too.
So now I can go abroad.
Yes.
Have a kidney transplant. I will no longer be sick again.
You will no longer be sick again.
God will bless you, my daughter.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Thank you.
I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, nothing can tell us apart. I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, nothing can tell us apart. It doesn't matter what is going on right now. We go be together someday. I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, nothing can tell us apart. I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, nothing can tell us apart. This is real love, unconditional love. Our hearts beat for each other. No matter the distance, our love lives on. Love more. Whether they believe it or not, our love lives on. Onyekemo. Baby, love me, I love you. That's all that matters. What I see is love. Niya bupi funanya. Apu gaba. Itukwa sagobio. Itukwa samopigi. Love apolalam lava. Abima. Wanya fulunanya.
What kind of thing is this? Eh? Why is Papa treating me this way? He had to lock me up inside the house. Am I a prisoner in my own father's house? Eh? Joy.
You're my Juliet. Baby, nothing can tell us apart. It doesn't matter what is going.
She has escaped. So she plays the first one on me. How did she get the key to? Okay. Obiora, don't worry. Just wait for me. Whatever plan both of you have, I am coming for you this night. Yes, so, you lured my daughter to escape from my house. You will see me. Just wait for me. By the time I am done with you today, you will know who you are feeling. I am going to kill you. I will kill you. I will kill you. I told you.
Papa, I cannot see anything. I can't see anything, Papa. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. Papa, I can't see anything. 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 Papa, I cannot see.
Open your eyes. Let me see.
I cannot see anything.
What have you done to her?
It was only flopping.
And then
I just flopping.
Hey, have you seen what you have done to your daughter?
Oh, please.
Hey!
Open your eyes.
I cannot see.
Have you seen what you have done to your daughter?
I cannot see this kind
You have blinded her. You have damaged her eyes. It's yours. Hey!
Open this side. Open this
side. I can't see. Uncle Pico.
Don't do this to me now. Open this eyes.
Open what?
It was just this case.
You have damaged her eyes.
I just
you have damaged her eyes. It's yours.
I didn't take it. It was lucky.
How can you flog your daughter with bed?
You didn't know the situation.
Hey, Uju, mama. Ogini, what is it?
Leave me.
Talk to me, Obiora. What is it?
Uju.
Uju what? Uju did what? Talk to me, Obiora. Talk to me now. What is it?
My love, eat your food.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
Baby, please eat so you can take your medication.
I don't want to. Obi, leave this food. This is not my problem. Look at me. A young girl like me, blind, and you want me to eat. How am I supposed to be happy? Look at what my own father did to me. I just regret not living with my mother the same day she was living. This is the same thing he did to my mother. He can't control his temper. He doesn't know how to control his anger. He kept hitting and hitting me that day. Even when I was screaming, he did not stop.
My love, it's okay. It's okay. You will see again. You will have your vision again.
When? Obi, when? Everywhere is so dark. You don't even understand. Just close your eyes for 5 seconds and not see anything. You know how it feels.
But I'm with you. My love, I'm with you.
Okay.
Okay? I'm with you, my love. You have nothing to fear.
Have you heard anything about my father?
Not yet. I heard the king remanded him in the palace cell.
Oh. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay.
My love, please try and eat your food.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat. I don't want to. I'm not hungry.
And I'm planning to come and marry you immediately.
Obim, in this condition?
My love, there is no condition. All I see is my future wife. I can't stop loving you, and you know that.
God bless you. I actually thought you were going to leave me.
Never, I will never do that. I'll never do that.
I won't be able to bear this pain. Okay, can I get water? That's the sound of a car. I guess Kelvin is here. What is he doing here? What does he want again? What does he want?
You know how you doing?
I'm fine.
I want to fly her abroad for her medical treatment. Obiora, it's all your fault. I blame you for all of this.
Kelvin, please. I don't appreciate such talks here.
I know you always side him. You will always side him.
Enough! Enough! I don't like this. I don't.
My love, calm down, okay? I will face him. Young man, thank you for all you have done. I will make her to see again.
As Jesus Christ now. You can't even provide 200,000 naira for her scan.
Hi.
Huh?
Kelvin.
Obiora, this is not all about love. This is all about money. You and I know with money, she can see again. A good hospital and a good optician. So, let's save our love from going blind forever.
Kelvin.
Respect yourself and leave this place.
Obim, Osuko, it's okay.
I shall be back. I'm going to get an international passport.
My friend, get out from here.
Kelvin, leave now, leave.
Go! It's your dog chain. It's your dog chain. You should not come here and say rubbish again. No.
Is that why you want to fight him? Eh? You know we already have a situation. What if you start fighting now and he punches your eye? Who will lead who?
He cannot. You see that boy? I'll beat him very well.
He will Mike Tyson, but don't fight. Oh, it's okay.
So will you eat your food now?
Yes,
Why you?
Stop.
Why are you? You need to
no, I'm not going to eat again.
So, you want me to give you money to help your blind girlfriend?
Yes, ma. I promise to pay back. I have lands. You can have them. Just help me, please. I'm begging you.
Poor you. Alright, okay. I'll help you. But, you know I'm already spending so much for your uncle's treatment abroad and you're going with him. So here is what I'm proposing. That you go for this trip. By the time you get back, I'll be able to raise some money for you. The trip should be about a week or two, right?
A week, ma. It's
a week.
Yes.
So just be patient, okay?
Okay, ma. Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you, ma.
Am I that old? Because you could drop the ma. I'm just a young lady. Call me Benita, right?
Okay, sorry about that. Sorry. Thank you, ma. Sorry. Thank you, Benita.
It's alright. Just drink up, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Obio, I want you to think very well. How can you say you want to marry a blind girl? Leave her alone. She's a liability.
Uncle, please, don't even say that thing you want to say now. Her father got her injured because of me. It was because of me that her father injured her eyes.
Oh,
now.
spare me that drama.
Spare me that drama! If she had listened to her father, she wouldn't have been in this condition she is right now.
Uncle, this is not what we are saying. All I'm saying is that I want to marry Ujunwa. I want to make her my wife. It will even be easier for her father to accept me. Yes. Uncle, this is my cross. Allow me to carry it. I'll marry Ujunwa and that's final.
But I heard the young man wants to take her abroad for treatment.
It is not going to happen. It won't happen. I will take her for medical checkup as soon as we are back. So, that's what I'm saying.
I want you to leave that girl alone. Leave that girl alone!
Uncle, please. Don't hurt me.
I have told you she's a liability. Leave her alone.
Uncle, it's a lie. I will not leave Ujunwa. I will make her my wife.
No problem.
I will make her my wife.
You will make her your wife?
Yes, I will.
No problem.
We shall see. My wife to be. My future wife.
It's alright. We shall see.
No, Uncle, we shall see nothing. No, you live your life and nobody questioned it. It's
alright. We shall see.
Uncle, please. Don't. What's that one says? Eh? I should not marry my own Ujunwa. Who else do you want me to marry? Who? Man, I just know now. What's wrong with you? What saw this now? When you married your own wife, nobody asked you not to marry her. She's a liability. And Nampia Jimakam Ujunwa Kopaya. Now says I should not marry her.
I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet, baby more, nothing can tear us apart.
As soon as we return, I will take you abroad. Please, my love, bear with me. Just be patient.
Obi, are you very sure about this woman?
Yes, she promised to help us. Just give me some time. Nugo.
Okay. So, how long are you looking at?
Maximum 2 weeks.
Eh? 2 weeks, Acha?
I love 2 weeks. It's not fun. And before you know it, 2 weeks is here. It's okay.
Okay. Obi, there's this rumor I heard that they locked up my father at the palace. Is it true?
I heard it too, but I don't think it's true. It's just a rumor.
Are you sure? Okay. I want you to take me to the palace today. Take me there. I just want to see my father. I want to know how he's doing.
But the king is not around. He traveled to Abuja.
I know, but I just want to see my father. I want to see him, please.
My love, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Okay? Everything, sure? Yes. Everything will be okay. Don't worry yourself.
Okay. Okay.
And again, my cousin Ada will come and stay with you till we are back.
Okay. I'll wait for you to come back.
Now you're talking. My baby. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. Everything will be fine. Okay? I'll go to abroad. I'll come back. I'll come and pick you.
Jesus Christ, Ogobiora! Is this you? Yes, so how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, how are you?
Jesus, where have you been?
Hey, I traveled abroad for a medical purpose.
Hey, Alpha, I went to Joan's house, but I didn't meet anybody there.
Auntie Uju is married.
Eh? Ujunwa is married?
Yes. She got married to one rich man and he flew her abroad.
Wait. He got married to Kelvin?
Yes, that's his name.
No, now. No! Oh, you can't do this to me now. Why did she get married? Bro, I told her I was coming. No, nah. Oh.
Calm down now.
No, don't. Oh. Why would you? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure. She got married to him. He flew her abroad.
I promised her that I was going to come back. What about the father?
He has been banished from this community, and the king declared that if he set his feet in this community, he should be killed.
Oh God!
Please calm down. Okay, just calm down. Eh? You just relax. You know this is not entirely her fault. The visa wasted time. I guess she got tired of waiting.
This was never the plan. We didn't plan it like this. I told her I was going to come back. Why did she? For what?
She got tired of waiting. It's okay, just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. No, Ekene, are you sure? Are you sure about this?
I'm sure.
But I told her that I was going to come back now. Why did she?
Thank you.
Oh God.
Just calm down now.
No, I can't calm down. I can't. Oh. Ekene, are you sure about this thing you just told me? Are you sure?
Yes.
Hey. Oh God.
Come, let me take you.
Don't take me anywhere. I just told you that my future wife, someone just got married to her and you're telling me.
Obiora, I told you to leave this girl alone. She's not meant for you. Allow the man carry her liability. But you wouldn't listen.
Uncle, we were meant to spend 2 weeks in London. But we ended up spending 2 good months. All my efforts to reach her on the phone was negative. I lost everything.
No. Please. Allow her to be. She has moved on with her life. Please, move on with your own life. You can't continue thinking. You can't continue thinking forever. Allow her.
I learned she's desperate to regain her sight. The man promised to see that happen. Obiora, Benita has done so much for this family. I want you to be her husband. Okay, now, if not for Benita, I wouldn't have owned this beautiful house. Take a look at this car. All credit to Benita. And my beautiful wife here. Benita made everything happen. If you become her husband, fortune will continue to smile on this family. I want you to be her husband. Okay, now, if not for Benita, you know how I used to cough when it comes to my health. But now, I am better. Bikono, Obiora, get married to Benita. That is all I am asking of you.
Yes. You see, you have to appreciate her by accepting her proposal. At least she has done enough for the family.
I should accept her proposal. Someone I don't love. Someone I don't even have feelings for. Can you hear yourselves out? Because she built the house for you and
what, Obiora? Obiora, what? I have told you what you should do. And my decision is final.
I won't marry her.
Obi, please, I am begging you. Look, I make you a promise tonight before God and man. I promise to be loyal to you, to be a good wife, to respect you at all times. Please, my love, marry me. Just come into my world. Please.
Benita, you know it's very hard to see a rich woman like you becoming loyal and respectful to a man. We watch movies, even in real life. It never happened. Can't we be friends?
No.
Just friends.
No.
I'm scared of marriage.
Please don't be scared, Obiora. I am on my knees. I am begging you.
I know what I'm saying, not with personality like you.
No. Look, Obiora, I am different. I promise I am nothing like
what you see in the movies. I am a different woman. I want you to marry me. You're my spec. You are the kind of man I want in my life. Please, I am begging you. I am begging you to marry me. Please.
I should marry you?
Yes. Please. I promise you, you'll be very happy. I will make you a happy man. Please, Oblara, please marry me. Please, I beg you. Just say yes. Please, we'll be very happy. I promise I'll do anything for you. I'll give you anything you want. Please, I beg you. I'm ready to cry. Beg you. Oh, please, Oblara, I love you so much.
You get power. I know you can buy anything. Money can buy. But you cannot buy true love. Bear it in mind. You cannot buy true love. Bear it in mind. You may get money, you may get connection, you may get everything, but you cannot buy true love. You cannot buy it. Stop chasing shadow, my dear. Stop chasing shadow. True love is priceless. It's bigger than money and riches. True love is priceless. I bear it in mind. Mellow down.
What are you doing here? Huh?
Can't I stay here and catch some fresh air again?
Can't I stay here and catch some fresh air again? You want to stay here and catch fresh air? Who is going to fix that bed? Eh? Oh, after making love to me, you expect me to fix the bed? Are you out of your mind? If you know what is good for you, better stand up from there and go and fix that bed. I am going out. I do not want to come back and meet my room littered. Catching fresh air. Get up and go and fix it.
Mellow down. Cause money is not everything. Look for your soulmate. Look for your love. Stop interfering.
Madam! Open the gate.
Cannot stop the moving train. Look for your soulmate. Look for your own love.
I have told you to stop bringing that blind girl to my house. Who even showed you my house in the first place?
I'm sorry, sir. It was Auntie Uju that said she wanted to see Uncle Obiora. That was why I brought her.
How can a blind girl want to see a married man? Now listen. Tell whatever is her name to leave Obiora alone. Else, Obiora's wife, Benita, will deal with her seriously.
Sir, Auntie Uju was never married to anyone. She never married anybody.
Oh, will you shut up? Now get out of my presence.
I'm very serious. She never married anyone.
I said get out! No sense. Get out. Useless entity. Disturbing my peace. Let me see you anywhere close to my house again. No sense.
My heart is broken because of love. My heart is shattered because of love.
Ada, Biko, help me call your brother on phone. I've not spoken to him in a long time. Oh, please help me call him on your phone.
But his number is not connecting. He's not connecting.
Try and call him on WhatsApp. I'm sure he'll pick.
That is what I'm trying to tell you. He's not connecting. I've sent him countless messages. He's not replying any of them. I'm tired though. Me, I want to go back to school.
Hey, Ada Pico. You cannot leave me here by myself. Please, I'm begging you. Please, please.
But I cannot continue to stay here. I have exams to write. The plan was for me to stay here for 2 weeks. Now I've stayed here for a month and...
Nem, I understand. I understand where you're coming from, but I can't even explain what is going on myself. I don't know. I don't even know if Obiora is still alive.
God forbid. Ha! There's nothing wrong with Obiora, my brother. Obiora is okay. He's fine.
Then why is he not picking up his calls? Neither is he returning his calls. You will send him a message, he will not reply. You will call him, he will not pick and he will not call back. So something is wrong now.
Nothing is wrong. You know they are in London, so sometimes this network can be funny.
But at least he should have just tried to call me now, even if it's 1 minute. Oh, Mom, let me know that everything is fine.
All I know is that I'm going back to school very soon. I have to leave. I have to go and prepare for exams.
Ada, Pico, stop.
So it's not the plan.
Stop saying this thing now. Stop, Pico. How do I stay here alone now? How do I cope? Who will be helping me? Obiora, how can you do this to me now? How do you want me to survive? But just try the last time. Are you shouting?
The number is not connecting. Just try and understand. Me, I'm tired. Do you think I don't want to go back to school? I want to go back. Me, I'm tired of staying here. I'm tired.
Madam, what do you want to do? You want to kill yourself make I take lose my work? Now what do you plan? You don't plan them already. I go this side. You don't go walk. Let's just Madam, stay here. Madam, stay here. Don't look at my trouble. You don't look at my trouble. Silence, what's happening there? Okay, see missing problem. Madam won't come out for no reason. Where are you going to?
I want to go back to the village. I don't want to stay here anymore.
Listen and listen carefully. You're not going to leave this house until I say so. Do you hear me?
I want
to... Come here! Come here!
Please leave me alone. I want to go back.
Do it again! Come here! Come on, come on.
I want to go back to the village.
Come back here.
Please!
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.